I just received this iPad email this morning from a repair shop that I fixed a lot of devices for him before. He said he tried to replace the screen digitizer for this iPad mini and the backlight stopped working. I hear the sound like this. No, I didn't hear it now. Yep, I hear it. Just as it's not that loud. So let's disconnect the battery and connect it back. Yeah, the screen connector is connected good. Yeah, I see the Apple logo. Yeah, you see it? It's right over there. Here. Here, you see the Apple? Right there. So it means the backlight is off. Alright, let's look at it at the microscope and we go from there. Alright, yeah. This technician has a problem like disconnecting the iPad battery when he is replacing the screen. And I think he has like the digitizer is bad too, the connector. Anyway, let's go on the microscope and look at it better. Yeah, that's a digitizer connector as well as bad. Damn. So you see it here, these pins. So we need this connector and we need the backlight. I think the backlight circuit is here somewhere under this shield. This is a backlight coil. This is a diodes. And you can see here, this is look these components. You see like solder balls around it, so it's mean I think this is a filter. Let's test that filter to see if it's still good. Yeah, this filter is open. Want to be sure if there is any short. Both sides there is no short to the ground. That's good. 0.1 and open. That's good. 0.6. 0.1. No, that's good. So any of these coils like touch the ground? No. No. So yeah, let's replace that filter and we go from there. Yeah, we can take the fuse from this donor board. So let's test it. Yeah, that one is good. So usually when the fuse is burned that way, may burn the traces in the board, so we need to be careful. I think I still see the trace over there. That's good. Alright, so let's test the screen. After that we go to the touch screen connector. Yep, the backlight works now. So let's go to the next problem. So this connector here, that's what I need to deal with.